Hi yogis, namaste. Let's talk about Uttanasana or forward fold. So, the first thing you need to know about this pose is that if you're suffering from sciatica or any lower back pain, please avoid this pose or bend your knees deeply. So she's going to show you first for sciatica or lower back pain. You want to open your feet hips width apart and bend your knees so that your belly is touching your thighs. And you want to hold it there, relaxing the head, relaxing the shoulders, taking the shoulders down and away from the ears. Good. So, if you are fine, you can extend the knees, shift the weight forward so that the whole weight of your body is being carried by your big toes, not so much on your heels. You want to make sure you're doing a straight line between your hips, knees, and heels to access the back of your legs, right? Another really common thing here, as you can see, she's holding her neck, and that's creating even more tension. We're here in yoga to release. So just let the head go and breathe. In this pose, to get deeper, you want to hover your belly, lengthen the spine every time you inhale, and you want to just let go and go even deeper with every single exhalation. If you're pregnant and your belly is in your way, you want to open your feet to the width of your mat. And then you want to bring the knees down so the belly is in between the thighs and just rest there. Again, just let go of the neck, relax, and breathe. Thank you. Namaste.